it seem multifaceted, almost translucent.
Cute. I've been meaning to come see Joshua Tree National Park for years now, and I finally made it out here. I did the 3-hour drive from San Diego. It was beautiful, the mountains along the way. Oof, I just got here and look at this Airbnb. I think this is the most beautiful Airbnb I've ever stayed at. Every single detail accounted for. Every vase, every plant, every blanket, every carpet, just so stunning. The colors, warm and earthy and natural. It doesn't feel like an Airbnb. It feels like someone lives here. I feel so blessed to spend the next 4 days here. You can't see it right now, but I'm looking out the window to the most breathtaking landscape. It feels like I'm in the national park and I haven't even stepped foot in it yet. If you're curious to see what it's like to be a vegan visiting Joshua Tree National Park, I'm here to show you. I'm really big into birding, so my dream is to see a roadrunner. For some reason, it just like didn't compute in my mind that roadrunners were actually real birds. Always thought it was a cartoon. But as soon as I saw a picture, I was like, I need to see that. If I leave here after these 4 days and I don't see a roadrunner, there will be tears. Today is day 2 in this beautiful place. I'm so excited to get going. Got some hikes planned. We're gonna finally make it into the national park. There's a lot of really good vegan options around here. So I don't think it's gonna be a struggle at all. I did bring a book and some journals in case I do have time to do that. Definitely gonna go grab lunch somewhere, so probably gonna do some journaling there. And I'm in the middle of a few different books right now. Get started on pests for my book club. And I have another book club that I do in real life, and we're reading Ursula Le Guin for the first time. So excited about that. I kind of hurt my ankle a little bit this morning, stepping out way too excitedly from my bedroom looking for roadrunners. Haven't found any yet, but I might have to limit myself to some easy hikes, but that's okay.
This is what democracy looks like.
Fan favorites are often like the chevres, because like people who are vegan and not vegan like those ones.
Okay.
So those are these ones in the bottom row: herb chevre, plain, or the pistachio and date. But
That sounds awesome. First hike of the day, we're doing Hidden Valley. Walked around, we had breakfast, and stumbled upon a farmer's market that had so many vegan options. I was so surprised to see how easy it is to find those around here. There was one entirely vegan booth manned by one woman who hand makes all of the vegan meats and cheeses. It was so cool.
That was for the effect. Okay. Okay. Little bend over.
Hey, little guy.
It's painted.
Some vegan beef jerky from Ben and Esther's. Yum. Just did Keys View, and now we're gonna make our way back towards Hidden Valley and keep going. Barker Dam, where I hear there's some petrified glyphs. Still no sign of a roadrunner, but it's gonna happen. That's what I want to see. Little cheerleader with the pom-poms. Just got back from a long day of hiking. We ended up taking the wrong exit in one of the trails ended up doing a really long additional section and didn't even realize it until we finished the whole thing. Got to the parking lot, we're like, our car is not here. So we walked all the way back. It was an additional like 20-minute walk, and it was all worth it because I ended up getting to see a black-throated sparrow, which I haven't seen before. It was a new lifer, so no regrets there. And then we drove back over to the downtown Joshua Tree area, which has all like the restaurants and the cafes and the bars and all of that. Didn't have any service at all. That's one thing to keep in mind if you're going to Joshua Tree, is to download the map beforehand because you're gonna need it. So we wanted to look for a place to have lunch. I'll provide a link to a guide that I used. Happy Cow came in really handy for this. One thing I am noticing here is that you'll actually see that I think almost all the restaurants have at least one solid vegan option. Found a pizza spot that has a ton of vegan options. They have vegan cheese, vegan sausage, vegan pepperoni, so they didn't half-ass it at all. Can't wait to get inside and feast on the vegan goodies that we got from the farmer's market. I want some melty pistachio chocolate cookie right now. Take an outdoor shower and look for some roadrunners because I still haven't seen any.
We laid them down and we rode our warriors over them.
Today we're checking out Yucca Valley and we're gonna try to do a hike despite some people telling me that I shouldn't be doing a hike because I hurt my ankle. But I really want to see the skull rocks and the jumbo rocks and also perhaps the cactus garden. So that's the plan for today. Yucca Valley has a bunch of other vegan restaurants that I saw online on Happy Cow. Love you, Happy Cow. So I'm gonna try our luck over there. And gonna go to Walmart to get a wrap for my ankle. Very embarrassing that I didn't even heard it on a hike. I heard it on a step outside of my Airbnb. I looked up where I could find roadrunners and there is a trailhead not too far from here that apparently they've become super friendly with the humans because the humans keep feeding the roadrunners, which we shouldn't be doing, but it might work out in my favor. So this is day 3 of trying to see a roadrunner. I see it! We drove 20 minutes. I thought it was all for nothing, but I saw a freaking roadrunner. Is it still there? Where'd it go? What's that sound? Hi, baby. Oh, you're so pretty. Okay, okay, that's my new favorite bird. That's it. Grab this delicious burrito from Roadrunner Grab and Go. And on the way here, 20 minutes out of the way from where we were supposed to be going, we saw a roadrunner. So thank you to that one random comment on a random Reddit post. Also, vegan cookies.
These are
What are these, baby?
light skinned blueberries.
Light skin blueberries. This is the Logic blueberries.
Curries is the highest.
Right, the Mariah Careys of the blueberry family.
These are the Halseys.
The Halseys and the Logics are down here.
Over there you got the Zendayas.
This is Skull Rock. And I didn't even have to hike to see it. So if you're disabled and you can't walk, like me today, embarrassingly, this is a great sight to see. Don't miss it. Skull Rock, Jumbo Rock.
You're doing a great job.
Okay,
Let's get you in the car.
I mean, by far the coolest part of the park. Wow. Oh yeah.
Best passenger.
That's so cool.
This is really cool.
Right? Goes all the way around.
My wife's the twitcher. I'm not.
Twitcher, that's a good one.
Yep. That's a semi-polite term for obsessed bird watchers. Have a good day.
You too.
We woke up early in the morning today to try to catch some birds because they seem to be more active like around dusk and dawn. We heard about this place called Morongo Canyon Preserve, which people do some bird watching around here pretty often. So we made it here. So far, I saw a verdin, which is really cute, has a yellow face and red shoulders. And that's about it. But then we did stumble upon this man who said that they see owls around here pretty often. So trying to see that. Haven't had any luck yet, but stumbled upon this like little fairyland over here for birds. I don't know if it's someone's house or if it's like a preserve or something, but tons of lesser goldfinches over here. Some regular finches, hummingbirds. Also saw nuttals, woodpecker, and yeah, it's so beautiful. We just ran into this guy. We're calling him Robin because I'm not sure what his name is, but he looks like the soccer player Robin. I don't know who this is, but looks like him. But he was like this, I don't know if he's a professional birder, but he knows a lot about birds. And he found the owl for us. This man also was carrying some binoculars, but also a 3,000 millimeter lens. So he is a real birder. He pointed us to an owl in the tree, and I don't know how he spotted it because it was so camouflaged and it was in the back of the tree. But officially saw a barn owl. It was stunning.
So if you make a line between these two, and you put your binoculars up there, you'll see like a stick kind of coming out like this.
Okay.
Put your binoculars up there.
And then he pointed us to a second nature reserve in this area, which I think was the one that we were originally supposed to go to. We just didn't know the way.
If you go this way, you are going to be shaded, but they both meet up, okay?
You're awesome. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy.
We sat there with like dozens of hummingbirds. I saw a Costa's hummingbird, Anna's hummingbird, rufous hummingbird, grosbeak. What else did we see? A couple towhees, black-throated hummingbird. And I think I caught a glimpse of a vermilion flycatcher, but I can't be 100% sure. So just a magical day. Like a turn. Okay, turn to the side. Devoured. Oh my god, that's so precious. Mountain of.
It's gonna rain for like 3 hours.
Goodbye, beautiful Joshua Tree. It was a pleasure. I've been limping. I've been limping. The alphabet soup people? Ew! Disgusting.
Whoa, stop, baby. No talk.